Think about this. When was the last time you had to learn something new? Maybe it was a new software at your workplace, a new process your company introduced, or even a new skill you wanted to improve. So now learning something yourself is easy, right? But imagine if you have to manage this learning process for 500 employees or maybe a thousands of students. Suddenly, the questions become different, like who completed the training, who is still facing problems, are people actually learning from these courses, and which training is really helping them improve. Because when you try to manage everything manually through emails, spreadsheets, and different files, things can quickly become confusing. And that's exactly why organizations today are moving towards LMS software. Hi everyone, I'm Snehal from Technology Counter, and today let's talk about something that has become a really important for growing organizations, which is managing learning and training in a smarter way. Now, whether you are running a business, managing employees, or handling an educational setup, training people is a big part of growth. So in this video, we are going to understand what LMS software actually does. We will look at three popular LMS platforms that organizations are considering in 2026, and I will help you to understand which solution could make sense depending on your requirements. So let's start. Now let's be honest. Training sounds simple until your numbers of learners start increasing, right? If you have a small team, you can probably manage things easily. You can share documents, you can schedule meetings, you can send information through emails, and for a small team, that might work. But now imagine your organization start growing. You have 100 employees to join you. Different teams need different training, and your manager wants to know who is improving and who needs more support. This is where the real challenge starts because suddenly those emails and spreadsheets don't give you complete picture, and then you start asking questions like, did everyone complete the training, who needs help, and which course is actually working. And that's when you realize you need a proper system, a system that can organize learning, track progress, and make training easier for everyone. And that's exactly what an LMS help you do. So let's understand LMS in simple level. LMS stands for Learning Management System. So basically, think of it as a digital learning platform where you can manage your entire training process from one place. Instead of keeping everything separately, your courses here, your training documents there, and your employee progress somewhere else, and LMS brings everything together. With LMS software, organizations can create courses, upload training materials, conduct assessments, track learner progress, and understand how people are performing. For example, instead of asking your team, did everyone complete their training, you can simply check LMS and get the answer. That's the biggest advantage. It gives organizations visibility and control over the complete learning journey. Now, if you are thinking, okay, Snehal, I understand LMS software, but which one should I actually choose? That's a very common question. And honestly, the answer depends on what you need. Some organizations need a professional academic environment, some need customization, and some just need something simple and easy to use. So let's look at three popular LMS platforms in 2026. First, let's talk about Canvas LMS. So now, Canvas is a platform that is well known for creating a smooth learning experience for both teachers and learners. It helps you create courses, manage assignments, share resources, and track your student performance. One thing people like about Canvas is its clean and organized interface. It doesn't make learning complicated. So if you are an university, educational institution, or an organization looking for a structured learning environment, Canvas LMS can be a good option. So next, we have a Moodle LMS. Moodle is interesting because its biggest strength is flexibility. Every organization has different requirements, right? And Moodle understands that. So instead of giving everyone the exact same setup, it allows you to customize your learning environment. You can create different courses, add activities, modify the platform according to your needs. So if your priority is having more control and flexibility, Moodle can be a strong choice. And then we have a Google Classroom. Now, most people have already heard about Google Classroom. And the reason it became popular is simple, it's easy to use. Teachers and students can quickly share assignments, communicate, and organize learning material because it connects with Google Tools. It becomes convenient option for schools, educators, and teams that need a simple learning solution. So if you don't need something very complex and just want an easy platform to start with, Google Classroom can work well. So if we make this really simple, if you need structure and professional learning environment, Canvas LMS could be the right choice. If you want flexibility and customization, Moodle LMS gives you more control. And if you want something simple, familiar, and easy to start with, Google Classroom can be a practical option. The important thing is don't choose an LMS just because it's popular. Choose the one that matches your learning goals. Now, if you ask me, Snehal, which element should I choose? My answer would be first understand your purpose. Because the right LMS depends on what experience you want to create. So, if you are managing a large educational setup, Canvas can be a great fit. But if you want to build a customized learning platform, Moodle makes more sense. And if your requirement is simple classroom and team learning, Google Classroom can do the job. Because the best LMS is not the one with the most features, it's the one that actually helps your users learn better. Learning today is not limited to classrooms anymore. Businesses and organizations are constantly training their people, helping them learn new skills and preparing them for the future. And having a right LMS software can make this entire process much easier. It can help you organize learning, track progress, and create a better experience for everyone. For more software comparisons, business technology insights, and buying guides, subscribe Technology Counter. And if you are looking for a right LMS solution, explore Technology Counter to compare different software options. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.